Signed a bill this week completing a $5 million payout to the Barahona children, including Victor, who survived extreme child abuse, and a sister who was murdered, allegedly by their adoptive parents. But a big chunk of that money will not get to the children. Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live now from Dania Beach to explain for us today. Glenna.
Calvin, things like lobbyists and costs and attorney's fees, all of these things are standard operating procedure that absorbs so much of the money that is supposed to be going to state victims. Today at this lawmaker's office, we learned there is a move to change that.
Evidence photos document what some have called the House of Horrors, where twins Victor and Nubia Barahona were tortured and Nubia likely beaten to death. The reason they and two other children there are due $5 million from the Department of Children and Families that failed to protect them.
This case in its entirety was one of the most complicated pieces of litigation I've handled in 40 years.
The veteran attorneys who for 4 years steered that claim to this week's sign-off from the governor, they'll be getting a fourth of it, more than $1.2 million of that state money.
My firm invested over $100,000 in this case, and just costs.
There are costs for travel, for experts, and also for postage and photocopies.
Does anyone ever do this pro bono for cases like this?
No.
The process and the payouts for all the state's claims bills are now under scrutiny.
A majority of us would like to see the claims bill process completely torn down.
South Florida lawmaker Evan Jenny is one of the sponsors of this bill to do just that and reclaim the money for the victims.
That's being siphoned off by lobbyists, by attorneys, and whittled down by the organizations that cause them to be aggrieved.
Which is one reason some lawmakers have said they refuse to even pass them. The Barahona's attorney, he agrees the process is broken.
Why did these children have to wait 4 years to get payments that were agreed to by the entity that caused the harm?
For anyone who is following the Barahona case, this claims bill process is separate and apart from the criminal case against Carmen and George Barahona. Those are the parents. By the way, just coincidentally, today is the twins' birthday. Victor Barahona is 17 years old. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Dania Beach tonight, Local 10 News.
Glenna, thanks.